Hello guys,
We're going to play Minecraft.
and we're going to speedrun the Minecraft.
Hard mode. Joke lang. I'm just joking. We are in survival mode.
Come.
Oh wait, I lost you.
Dilaw ka.
Where are you?
Name tag.
I cannot see your name out there. I'm going to get this chest.
We need to find a cave.
And on the tea.
Come.
Okay.
Here, a cave.
Okay. Pwede na lang build tayo andun. Home.
Come.
Don't jump. You jump, you die. Ayun, iron!
We need stone tools. Do you have crafting table?
I'm going to make some. Yeah, we do. Evan. Okay, do we there? Wait.
We're going to make this service.
I'm going to make a sword and a... I'm going to mine this. Let's see. Yeah.
We're going to play 100 days on this.
Yep.
Where's the crafting table? There.
Once the way.
And we need to survive the night.
Let's go. This is our base. I have torch. Oh, I don't have sticks. Then I can
There's a
craft.
hole here.
Hey! Oh, coal! I found coal.
Hole?
Yep. This is. Hey, give me my coal back or I'll kill you. In Minecraft, not in real life. What?
I think we need to move.
Where Ingro? I found a ravine.
There's no ravine. Oh, there. Hey. Let's see how big the cave is. Why did you jump down?
I just. Wait, I think I'm stuck. Oh!
How big is the cave?
Nope. Never mind.
Let's go up.
Yep. I don't have stuff. Yep, stuff to me. Bye, guys. I'm not again! I don't like this. Bro, there's no more. I have cobblestone. Yes, things. No!
We need this coal.
Yep, I have 10 coal. How big this is?
We need to find a ravine.
Bro,
Come.
this is so many coal right now.
Come. We need to find a ravine.
There are so many coal. Beautiful.
Hey, we need to find a ravine.
But why?
To find iron or copper.
Copper armor? I already have spear.
Come.
I already have spear.
Come. Let's go up.
Sige. How am I going to... goes. Oh, oh. Wait, I'm hungry and I'm going to eat my apple.
Come.
To heal my... Wait, this is keep inventory.
Yep. Come.
Let's build a house right there.
Here. Come.
In the mushroom.
Nope. I saw a better spot.
Wood.
Come. Yo.
This. Okay. I guess so.
We need to find a bed.
We need to find a village, not a bed.
Oh.
Ano yan? Village bed? A village! Wait, where are your name tag?
They're in a village.
I saw a pig. Yep. Where are you? Oh, there. I keep losing you. Oh, I thought it was okay. Man, I know updates yon.
Wait. Do you have cobblestone?
Yep.
How many?
3.
Oh my god. We need more
Why?
to stay safe. To stay safe. Because we need to craft a furnace.
Why?
Come. We need to find a cave.
Or a village. Because they're not raided.
We have a bad spawn.
Yep. We need to restart. Wait! Up in the... Right here. Up here. Up here we can hide from the mobs.
Come. I need to eat.
Yep. We need to find...
Which one?
I cannot... Zombie!
Where?
Joke lang.
Wait, what? Come. Here.
How about the bush biome? Oh no, the
Sun's
sun's...
jungle biome. Yay!
What?
We found copper. Copper.
I don't like to jump down.
Angelo, jump down!
Why?
We need to.
We're going to go this. We need to block us. We need to block our way.
Yep. Let's stay here until we have food.
No.
Bro,
Wait.
stop.
Wait. You have food?
No.
Wait, we have seeds.
Yeah.
We can make a farm.
Here?
Yep. I built the...
Stop. We need to block it. Stop.
I got the cobblestone generator.
I'm going to get some dirt here. Never mind.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Do you have the crafting table?
No. Yeah. You have the crafting table. Wait, Check kung lang meron ang mobs.
And below, we need some fuel. We need shields. Stop.
I'm going to check outside.
Oh, I have dirt.
Yes! We're safe! Sorry. Let's go this way.
Wait,
I'm going to mine this way because...
wait. I don't mind them.
Wait, you...
Yes. Water. There.
Oh, wait.
Uh,
Your tree cobblestone. We can save from there.
they have wood.
Nope.
Let's go from the... Oh, that's it. It's not time. Come back here.
I don't want to waste money.
Run.
Because there's zombie. I don't like the wood chip to respawn. Wait, you're going to teleport us?
Yep.
We are, what's the chance of spawning a village?
I don't know.
I have it. Panapos na start ng world. First ako kala ko walang village. And there I saw a village. Wow, so cool. Meron na yun. Yung nakita natin, Minecraft. How about the Java edition? Paano na-add stairs na spear? The baby zombie. Chick-fil-A. Ligo na tayo.
Wait.
My stupid heart, now look, I talk you like you go. The name of people, to laugh back to my stupid heart. No me, already on my way. The feels so me say, I got my hand in my stupid heart. Okay. Okay. Got my hand to my stupid heart. Ako na layak. Oo nga. Oo nga. Yeah. I'm not a wooden boy. Yes, you're not a wooden boy. Oh no, here. Ako lang ay liligo na to swimming pool. Ako liligo na to swimming pool lang. Pwede? Bye guys.
Bye everybody, just wait for the part 2.
And-
Bye bye.